Yeah,
These
we
images are
maybe
amazing.
have a chance to see it because we don't have many clouds out there, a few high thin clouds, but outside of that, we're dealing with some chilly temperatures. Were you out early this morning, Jess?
Not early.
But it was cold this morning,
It
so
was
that's
cold this
probably a
morning.
good thing. Yeah,
Mid-morning, I was okay.
yeah. By the afternoon, it's not too bad, but in the morning, temperatures starting out below freezing, even in the single digits in some spots of the state. We'll take a look at the temperatures in just a second, but we have a few high thin clouds out there, but otherwise, mostly sunny conditions here in Albuquerque and for much of New Mexico as the sun gets ready to set here in a couple of minutes. And taking a look at those temperatures, sitting at 52 degrees here in Albuquerque. That's pretty typical for this time of the year. 54 in Socorro, 57 degrees in TRC. But check out Alamosa. That's an air temperature right now of only 14 degrees there, 34 in Taos, 45 in Las Vegas, and it's 52 in Raton. And we'll see similar high temperatures as we head into the weekend. So it's going to be a pretty nice weekend out there with a temperature of 52 degrees right now in Albuquerque, and our winds are calm. So fortunately, we're not seeing much in the way of breezy conditions around the state, with the exception of eastern New Mexico. We have some stronger winds there. A sustained wind of 23 miles per hour in Tucumcari, a 9-mile-per-hour wind in Clovis, and 12 in Hubs. Here in central and western New Mexico, the winds are calm or about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and the winds will remain on the breezy side, at least for eastern and northeastern New Mexico for Saturday and Sunday. So planning out the rest of your night, temperatures falling back into the 40s once the sun sets. Then around 11 o'clock, we're sitting at 40 degrees. Tomorrow morning, temperatures starting out in the upper 20s, lower 30s here in the metro. So it's going to be rather cold out there with just a few high thin clouds. Once again, on satellite and radar, that's all you can see is just a few high thin clouds here in central and northwestern New Mexico around the Four Corners. We're not seeing any rain or snow heading in our direction anytime soon because of expanding the picture. There is a disturbance off to our west in California, but that's not going to impact us. Just a few clouds moving in for tonight and tomorrow. So it's going to be a chilly night out there once again, with temperatures dropping back to near freezing or even below freezing for much of the state and the teens around the northern mountains. And then for tomorrow, breezy conditions return for the northeast, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. We'll have westerly flow moving in, so that means dry conditions and temperatures above normal by the afternoon after that chilly start, and more of the same as we end the weekend and head into the next work week. It's not until Wednesday into Thursday of next week that we're going to watch a strong area of low pressure potentially move in our direction. That could give us another chance for some mountain snow, valley rain showers, and also drop our temperatures off. And you'll see that here in your extended forecast beginning in Durango and Pagosa Springs, Alamosa, temperatures dipping back into the teens and the 20s. Check out your low temperature in Alamosa, 12 below zero tonight, only climbing to a high of 15 degrees tomorrow. Then we'll see a lot of sunshine for Saturday and Sunday, and there's that chance for some rain and snow Wednesday and Thursday, with temperatures going from the 40s in Durango back into the 30s. In Farmington, you'll make it back into the 50s tomorrow, upper 40s there, 48 degrees, 50 degrees in Grants, 51 in Gallup, a mix of sun and clouds, then a chance for some rain and snow by Wednesday and Thursday of next week, with temperatures going from the 50s back into the upper 30s for highs by the end of next week. In TRC, you'll make it back into lower 60s, 63 degrees in Deming after starting out in the upper 20s and lower 30s in the southwest, so not too bad. After we get into the afternoon hours, more of the same for your Sunday, then a chance for some rain and snow by Tuesday and Wednesday. In the southeast, temperatures rebounding back into the 60s for highs, and Carlsbad, Roswell, and Lovington with a mix of sun and clouds, and we'll stay on the quiet side until the end of next week. And then into the northeast, temperatures dipping back into the 20s, climbing into the 50s and the 40s. It will be breezy at times with winds out of the west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then over to the northern mountains, temperatures in the 40s after a very cold start. And in the east mountains, will be dry with partly sunny skies. Winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And in the metro, temperatures rebounding back into the lower 50s, so similar temperatures to what we had today. So if you like today, you're probably going to like the rest of the weekend.
Pretty nice weekend.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Chris. We'll be right back.